Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate your LSSC device daily and secure your passive income with LSSC. For that, first of all, you need to open your web browser, and here in the search bar, you need to just search for lightsh.com. Now, once you are on the website of LSSC, you just have to provide your login credentials and you need to just log in into your account. Now, once you have successfully logged in, you just have to tap on this join button here in the bottom, and then you will be landed on this page where you will see a bunch of different types of scooters here. So in order to activate the LSSC device daily, you just have to rent the scooters, and after renting the scooters, you will be able to earn passive income here. So you need to select which type of scooter you want to rent. So let's say I want to rent this one, so you need to select that, and after that you need to tap on the rent option again. Now over here, in order to rent the scooter, you will have to pay the equivalent pricing. For example, for this particular scooter, this is the B3 level and I need to pay 960 USD or dollars. So you need to just tap on the rent option and you need to add or recharge that amount of money here. Now, once you have added that money, once you have the money in your account, you just have to follow further on-screen instructions in order to successfully activate your LSSC device, and you will be able to earn passive income over here. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.